Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start inside Canva by picking a video ad template sized to your placement. Choose 16, 9 for feeds or 9, 16 for stories. Once selected, upload your brand assets, logo, fonts, and 3 to 5 images or short clips because consistent visuals speed production. Then set the ad objective and target duration, 6 to 30 seconds, and type your primary CTA. This gets you into editing immediately with the right frame, assets, and conversion goal. Once your assets are in, you'll build 3 to 5 scenes that map to hook, body, and CTA. For hooks, use 1 to 3 seconds, and for body sections, 3 to 7 seconds so readers absorb the message. Make sure to apply motion, crop, pan, fade, and simple keyframe animations to keep attention. Add a voiceover or captions and sync text precisely to each clip's timing, because well-aligned audio and captions increase retention and accessibility. You finish by previewing the whole ad at full speed and checking audio levels so nothing clips or is too quiet. Once satisfied, export as MP4 using H.264 and a 4 to 8 Mbps bitrate for crisp uploads. If playback stutters or elements drop out, try replacing the problematic clip, flattening layered elements to reduce processing, or re-uploading assets. These steps usually fix rendering errors. Finally, rewatch the exported file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.